Hey guys, Lacey here, back with another episode of Fun for everyone. Yes, we have another episode for you today, another episode for you to giggle at, another episode for you to like and share and all that jazz. So, what I would like to say is thank you. Thank you for coming along. Thank you for watching my channel. I know there's a billion of them out there that you could probably waste your time on, but I appreciate that you waste your time on mine. So as long as I can bring you a giggle, I can bring you a laugh, that's all that matters to me. And I really appreciate you guys hanging out, sticking around, and watching it from beginning to end because it's just craziness that goes on. So with that being said, let's get started. We have another episode of Hazmat suits for you today. This one is a totally different color. Mr. Lacey is hot on the trail of all kinds of different colors, different suits, so forth, so on. So this one we're bringing you today is blue. But before we get to that, we're gonna get to this. Yes, it's my favorite mask, my all-time favorite mask, my MSAMCU. But we're gonna do it a little differently. So you guys know this is just the outer shield. This is for like the sun, all that good stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off today. And it just kind of clips off. It's really kind of cool. I swear it just kind of comes off. We're gonna take this off. There we go. See? Pops off. Boop. And we're gonna go nightshade for you today. So let's put that there and let's get this bad boy on. So maybe. It's always fun trying to get them on. Oh, hi. Crazy hair and all, but you're not going to see that in a minute. So, we do have the filter for you today. Filter, a brand new filter. Please believe me, this is a brand new filter. I no longer go with the crazy weird ones because we just don't know where they come from and they're kind of sketchy. So, brand new, 40 millimeters. Just goes into the side right here. I think I'm on the right side. Yes. Yes, this side. Okay. Sorry, I forgot, you know? There we go. You think this would be easier to do? You do it all the time? No. I got it. Alright, we're good to go. Great suction. Everything's in place, everything's tight, all that good jazz. Okay, another thing is I love this mask. All time favorite. Okay, so this is our hazmat suit for today. This is a Hydro Shield Sherby. It is waterproof. You know I can't read this without my glasses, so I'm gonna read it. It is weatherproof, waterproof. It has big zippers, all that good stuff. Comes with booties, a hood. You name it, it's got it. So, and like I said, these things are great for chemical use, yard work. It's great to keep the mosquitoes out. For this being weatherproof and waterproof, that means when you're spraying those chemicals, they're not going to get you. And that's important. Now, if you can figure out, there we go. I was like, how do you get into this thing? And this one, there's some booties, little booty duties, as we like to call them. There's one. That's it. Oh, there's the other. It's all on the floor. I got it. Boop. Okay. So, there you go. Hydro Shield. Yeah, the difference between this and like a Tyvek material is this is more like a diaper material. So it keeps the water from coming in. So far, so on. This thing is huge. There's one. There's two. Ready? You got zipper! I got it. The last one. There's the hood. Get that out of the way. We're in. What do you think? Comfy covers, right? Down. Okay. You know the drill. Double protection. It's always worth it. You should always double it. I think I did that one. It's not like I can blow in it, right? I'm screwed. Okay. It was like a shot. Okay, I think I got it. There we go. Ay. Help! I can't get my fingers. Help. Mr. Lacey's gonna fix it for me. Thank you. Oh, you know what I said? If there's no struggle, it ain't real, my friends. Uh-oh. Boom. Deflation, never a good thing. Unless you're done, of course. Maybe now it's all wet. Of course, that's also a good thing too. Anyway. Alright. Add a little color to our flare. Blue on blue, yellow, orange kind of goes. Right? There we go. And this is where the double protection comes in. Yeah. Ooh, did you hear that squeaky? Oh. I swear to God, it's the gloves, people. Okay. And we're off. Ready? Oh. This one's not as squeaky as well. Alright. Last but not least, duct tape and this time. Because if you don't duct tape it, it's just going to get up under there. Hey, to Alicia. Oh no. Mr. Lacey. Oopsie. Gracias. Okay. All right. So I can pull it off later. All right, there you go. This is our blue. Now, here's the booties. You'll just have to imagine that they're on my feet because I'm not bending over to put them on. Sorry. This is our Hydro Shield Sure Bead. Oh, Coveralls. With free shoe covers included, but we're not putting those on. We're going to save this waterproof. Construction, big zippers. Heavy duty, extra long. Extra long torso, which I don't have an extra long torso. Sorry. And hooded. So, there it is. Check it out. What am I? I'm a blueberry. Boop. They're gonna have to roll me and squeeze me like a violet. And if you know what I'm talking about, I'll give you $1. You can probably maybe that's fine. Ta-da! I'm a blueberry. That's me. Alright. This is me in my blue hazmat suit. In my MSA NCU gas mask with the day shield on. So, still great construction. Oh, still great as far as section goes. There you go. Alright. So, what are we going to do from here? We're going to hit like and subscribe. And then we're going to send it to our friends so they can see the crazy videos. Yes. Make them laugh, give them a giggle. Hit me up, send me an email, let me know what you think. And again, I'm so happy that you joined me today and had a little fun watching me dress as a blueberry. So, with that being said, you guys, I want you to have a great day. I want you to have a great weekend, a great whatever. And I will check you next time. Okay.